Guys, we will be styling the Effie ponytail today. This is an Afro synthetic ponytail, but I want to make her look different. So watch and see what I do. What I am going to do is I'm going to take some gel, okay? And we are going to test this hair. Let's take a small section here. Like I said, this is synthetic hair. This is not human hair. So I don't know what she's going to do, but look how she elongates. Okay, we got a piece here. We're going to straighten her out. Ooh, look at that. People already think that this is my hair, y'all. They really do. Now, if this turned out, y'all, come on. It's looking good already. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Wow, these curls look absolutely gorgeous. And as it dried, it did get tighter. But I'm telling you, the only thing that I am using is a comb, and I am detangling the hair, and I am applying the extreme clear gel to it and finger coiling it around my finger. Now, because it was acting so well with just me finger coiling it, and I have so much of this ponytail to do, I decided later on to start just taking larger sections, and it did the same thing. So it did not take me long to do this whole ponytail.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in.
All right, now here I am using the 3-row demi comb, and it allowed me to take bigger chunks of this ponytail and curl it. You see how the curls are just coming in there, and that's how I was able to get this far so fast. All right, we are in the top of the ponytail unit, and this is the time to decide which way you want your curls to go. Do you want them to come forward, or do you want them to go backwards? Here I mixed it with a little bit of water. It separated really good with my fingers, but I am still using the demi comb and the extreme gel to make my curls.
I wanna taste you and feel you shake.
Y'all, this hair behaved just like our hair would. It shrunk, it curled up, and I'm telling you, it behaved like it was human hair. So I decided to take it off, try it on, and to see if this is the direction that I really wanted my curls to go. But look at those curls, you all.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking little dude. In the mood 24/7, 16/11. So you're making it, but I'ma just stop. Stop for a moment. Do you really think that I'ma fuck you while I'm sober? I'm not. Taking Uber to your hotel. Eating like a local, but you're calling back while I shut down. You give me body.
And there she is. Wow, this is the last curl. You can curl it with your fingers. You can use the 3-row demi comb. You can rake the gel through this ponytail with your hands, and it will still curl up. We used a little bit of water, some extreme clear gel, and the 3-row demi comb. And I'm telling you, you see the results of how this unit curled up. It is the next day, and here she is, and here are the curls. I let her dry overnight. She is not crunchy. Her curls did shrink, as you see, but they can still move. As you see that, it shrunk just like regular hair, like our hair would shrink. So let's put her on. So we have our band around our neck. In here, I have some bands soaking in oil. I'm gonna put this band I'm gonna put this ponytail all the way back here. So I'm just grabbing hair. It don't really matter where you know. I'm just grabbing hair, y'all. Okay, let's get another oil band right here. And that's just a container, and I got some oil. I got my band soaking in oil. And that's coconut oil that's in there. It's not gonna make this hard, so there it is. There it is right there, y'all. We're gonna get some of this extreme gel. I do like this clear extreme gel. I do. This is simple, right? Next thing we're gonna do, no hair, don't care. Okay, and that's just our band. And we are gonna slide that back, okay? We are gonna slide that all the way back. That's gonna help hold the hair. Y'all know how we do it. So this is where we are. This is where we are. Miss Precious, as you see, this is the clear gel. You didn't want to use the blue gel because you have locks and salt and pepper hair. Clear gel is nice too. I like it. All right. We have our hair set. What we are going to do, y'all know our band method. We're going to put that underneath that band. We show our hair is protected underneath. We're going to place this where we want it to be, right? So let's just pin her down. And we're going to see what she's going to do. Isn't this beautiful? Y'all, shut up. Y'all know I'm gonna be doing other styles with this. Put her on, fluff her out. Stop playing. And we could go as full as we want, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm seeing so many other styles with this. Y'all, I'm gonna do a series on her. And I'm gonna also, because of the way that the curls feel really, really good, y'all. Look at that. I hope y'all can see this. The curls feel really, really good. They're not crunchy. If you keep bringing it out, you know, fluffing your curls out, they will fluff out. Because of how much hair is on this unit, we can wear it as a full wig or a ponytail. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Now, because it's so pretty on, I'm finna get to playing, y'all. Y'all, I am feeling this. I am feeling this. This is the Effie ponytail. It is a Afro puff, but baby, look at this. We use extreme gel on this. We use the 3-row demi-comb, and we use a little bit of water to spritz on here. And it is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, I feel sexy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're going to do a series on this, the stuff that we can use for this hair, how long these curls is going to last. It's just so much that we can do with this. And I will be bringing other styles with this curly pattern to you all. So be looking out for that. That's sexy, y'all. That's sexy. Y'all look. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you will not miss my next video, y'all. It ain't no telling what I'm doing over here on this channel. It really isn't. If you have any concerns about your hair, and if there's anything that I did not address that you want to know, leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. Y'all are my babies. Y'all are my chameleons. Also, do me a favor. I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do a lot of different things: weight loss, supplements, walk the weight off, fashion shows, home decor, sales that I find, yard work, gardening. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So go over there and check out that channel as well. I thank you all for hyping the videos. That really helped this channel out a lot. So until next time, guys, be looking out for the series of how this hair is going to end up turning out in different styles. And guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.